Operation Leadstorm follows the desperate mission to stop a brilliant but unhinged scientist from weaponizing the atmosphere itself. The threat emerges. Atmospheric physicist Dr. Arkon Rael, once a respected researcher, goes rogue after his radical climate manipulation theories are dismissed by the scientific community. Hidden in the remote Helion Plateau, he constructs the Rael Ignite Device, a machine capable of supercharging ion levels in Earth's atmosphere. At full activation, it will trigger a colossal artificial superstorm, powerful enough to level multiple cities. Once intelligence confirms the device is near completion, the Global Defense Council launches Operation Leadstorm, a high-risk mission with no backup. Infiltrate Rael's base, secure the shutdown codes, and disable the device before activation. The Operatives. The mission is assigned to two elite Special Operations officers, Captain Vance, a strategic, calm commander with a history of shutting down one of Rael's earlier illegal weather projects. Lieutenant Damon Strath, a technically skilled operative capable of hacking and mechanical overrides under pressure. Their partnership is built on trust, sharp instincts, and a history of surviving missions that were never supposed to be possible. Infiltration begins. Mara and Damon parachute onto the plateau under cover of night. From the ridge above Rael's base, they see the scale of the operation. Drone patrols, energy fences, signal pylons, and a massive pulsating core structure, the Ignite Device. They navigate along a narrow cliffside path, silently neutralizing patrols and slipping beneath the energy barrier using a portable scrambler. Inside the base, the air already feels charged from the device's growing influence on the atmosphere. Rael's lab and the codes. Their first objective is the research lab where Rael keeps the shutdown codes. They break inside and find Rael himself, engrossed in final pre-launch calculations. Mara confronts him, but Rael activates a base-wide security alarm and escapes into the corridors. The Operatives seize the data drive containing the shutdown codes, but the lockdown traps them and forces them into a running firefight across the base as drones and armored guards converge on them. Chasing Rael flees to the base's control tower, the command center for the device. Mara and Damon chase him through tightening storm winds. Clouds are spiraling unnaturally as the Ignite Device begins interacting with the atmosphere. Inside the tower, Damon attempts to use the codes to stop the activation sequence, but Rael forcibly ramps the machine to partial activation, pushing the storm cycle past its safe limit. The sky darkens instantly. Wind shear shakes the tower and lightning flickers prematurely in the clouds above. Rael claims it's too late. The storm is already forming and nothing can stop it. Race to the core. With seconds ticking away, Damon discovers that the remote shutdown fails. The device must be overridden manually from within the core's access chamber at the base of the machine. Dragging a wounded and frantic Rael with them, Mara and Damon sprint through the collapsing base as soldiers evacuate in terror. The closer they get to the device, the stronger the atmospheric distortion becomes. Dust lifts off the ground, metal structures vibrate, and static electricity crawls over their skin. They reach the core hatch, force it open, and descend into the blindingly bright interior chamber, where towers of conduits pulse with unstable energy. The final override. Damon plugs the shutdown drive into the core terminal and frantically codes through error after error as the device surges toward full activation. Mara holds Rael back as he struggles, rambling about saving humanity through destruction and rebirth. The core reaches critical instability. A deafening mechanical shriek fills the chamber. For a moment, it appears the device is going to detonate, but Damon completes the final override. Everything goes white, then silence. The storm clouds above unravel. The charging winds die. The machine powers down completely, its glow replaced by darkness. Aftermath. Rael is taken into custody, angry, broken, but still convinced he was humanity's catalyst. The base is secured, and recovery teams arrive once atmospheric levels stabilize. Mara and Damon stand on the plateau as dawn breaks, exhausted but victorious. The world remains safe. The engineered Superstorm prevented only minutes before becoming unstoppable. Operation Leadstorm is declared a success, a quiet triumph for two operatives whose mission will never officially exist.